What would happen if you allowed the fear of being imperfect to stop you in your decisions and not follow the heart of creating what you want? That was me when I first started my transformational journey. I was so afraid of not being perfect that I held myself back from following my heart and doing what I really wanted. It's a huge part of my transformational journey as well as my art journey in creating pieces that fill my heart with joy. Hi, my name is Robin Emmerich, transformational life coach and artist, and I'm here to share with you a way for you to tap into your creativity and power in a simple, fun, easy to do way. Literally anybody can do. Today we're going to create an art piece that is called art pouring or abstract pour. And it is so simple that I only use one spatula to create it. In the description below, you'll see how I mixed my paint before applying it to the canvas. And you'll see in a second, we will paint the piece together. As you begin to open your mind to creating your own piece, or maybe just taking this principle in life, I'd love to inspire you to think about letting go of the outcome. I had to let go of the outcome of this art piece, and in the middle of it you'll see that I took the canvas and moved it around to spread the paint to different edges. In the middle of that I freaked out thinking that I'd made a huge mistake because the aquamarine blue spread all in the center. At the end I discovered it really made it out to be the most beautiful part of it because it's so much power and color and boldness in the center. So there's an example, and there's so many, of how when we let go and allow ourselves to embrace imperfection and trust that things really are perfect as they are, we discover so much freedom and beauty. We find more joy in life. So I hope that this piece inspires you to do the same. Let's go ahead and create. and our finished result. I would love to hear your comments on this piece and the technique, and more importantly, to post your art in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe below so that we can continue our art journey. Thank you.